Hello friends, welcome to Prod Hut channel. In today's video, we will have a look at the question of whether can I recycle a vacuum cleaner? The answer to this question is probability yes, vacuum cleaners can be recycled. Most homes nowadays have a unique vacuum cleaner that can be used for cleaning the fine dust particles on the floor, bed, and carpets. They are products that can be used for a long time, but once they break down, it will be impossible to reinstall them into their original state. So most people prefer discarding them or selling them in the junkyard shops for a low price. Your concentration will automatically be focused on purchasing a new product, and you will not understand the value of such old products. In reality, these vacuum cleaners can be recycled in several ways, and let us now take a look at them. Let's first understand why is recycling so important? Each vacuum cleaner comes along with a life expectancy of at least 10 to 15 years. We are using it for more than that period, which might damage the cleaner and the environment because certain products within the cleaners cannot be used for more than 15 years. There are multiple advantages to recycling a vacuum cleaner. From creating and managing e-waste to keeping our planet clean, we have a wide range of benefits. Recycling vacuum cleaners also reduces carbon dioxide emissions since the new manufacturing process emits a lot of harmful chemicals into the environment. So by following the process of recycling, you can save a lot of energy and create economic advantages. Now we will get into the recycling process. If there is any breakage in your vacuum cleaner, try repairing it because even a small repair work can make your vacuum cleaner run successfully for the next 5 to 6 years. Nowadays, most of the parts are available in the market, and you can easily replace any broken area. But if there is any damage beyond repair, the next step is to recycle the cleaners either by yourself or by submitting them to the recycling center. There are multiple techniques available for recycling a vacuum cleaner. The first one is recycling centers. There are various recycling centers available in the market, and hence choose a perfect product. For example, there are various types of vacuum cleaners available, and among them, each has a different recycling procedure. Some of the everyday items that can be reused include cords, hoses, and plastic portions of a vacuum cleaner. The second is scrapyard. If your vacuum cleaner is too old, then the best way to dispose of them is through a scrapyard. Along with the ability to properly dispose of the vacuum cleaner, the day also offers equal pay for the junks you use throughout. This scrap yours go well along with the metallic items. So while recycling, vacuum cleaners give away the plastic parts to the recycling centers while the metallic elements can be sold to the scrap yard. The next one is reuse. Some vacuum cleaners like the nozzles and accessories can be reused with the new vacuum cleaners. So along with other advantages of recycling, you will also have extra accessories that are not available in the new cleaner. Certain parts of the vacuum cleaners can also be disposed of in an electronic store, especially the e-waste. The motors and every other component can be recycled effectively through the above techniques. Recycling can be effective for the environment. So when there is an issue with your vacuum cleaner, try to repair, reuse, and recycle it in the most efficient way possible. Visit our blog to know more details. The link is given in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.